Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a cactus. First, let's draw the pot. I'm gonna make the pot just a square shaped. And then we're gonna draw the cactus, just a curve, another curve, and at the top, that's the last curve. Don't forget the thorn. Let's draw the thorns. And it's done, we are ready to color. And it's done. It's really cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.